All right, YouTube, just want to do this quick video. Replaced this right here with a new. This was my old one. So it's super easy. You can see the threads right here. You just unscrew it and screw on a new one. I'll put the link where I got this one below. It's called DURA FAUCET. Water saving trickle flow switch, handheld shower. I think I can do this inside too, but I had an issue with the outside one because the way it was made, right down this crack right here, it was splitting and water was coming out of it. But I replaced it with this one. Super easy to replace. I actually like the angle better too because of how the water will, it's turned a little more right here. So this water, I got room to get up underneath it and, you know, wash, and it comes away from the camper. Still got this switch on it right here to start or stop the flow. But again, you just unscrew it and put it in, and it's pretty easy to do. Let me know if you got any questions, if y'all have seen something like this or got something better. Thanks for watching.